Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the ultimate guide to implementing Forex trendline trading strategy for consistent profits. So basically we'll be discussing about everything you need to know about trendline strategy, how to use trendline to make consistent profit in the market. Trendline is a popular tool in the trading industry, but not a whole lot of traders understand how to use the trendline to make consistent profit. So guys, we'll be talking about the step-by-step guide that you need to make consistent profit. So number one, you need to identify the market trend, draw the trend line. After identifying the market trend, wait for price to test the trend line. This is if the price is away from the trend line. Then you identify confirmation signals before you enter the trade. Then we talk about how to manage the trade. So basically we'll be talking about every steps you need to take in order to use trend line to make money in the forex market. So stick to the end of this video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that you'll be getting notification for other juicy content that I'll be uploading on this channel. So guys, let's go into explaining these steps so that you'll be able to make money as I'm using it also to make money. First of all, identify the market trend. Yes, no matter what strategy you are using in this market, this is the reason why some traders will say, this strategy is not working. That strategy is not working because you are using it wrongly. First of all, in the trend line strategy, you need to identify the market trend. Is the market going up or coming down, or is it going sideways? Is it a ranging market, a bullish market, or a bearish market? So guys, like you can see on my screen, this is a bullish market structure. Market is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So this is a bullish market structure. So what do you want to do? First of all, identify the market trend. What is the market doing at that point in time? So after identifying the market trend, so the market might be making lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. So your own duty is to first of all identify the market trend. First of all, identify the market trend. Know what the market is doing. Now, after identifying the market trend, the next thing you need to do is to what? Is to draw the trend line. So at this point, we'll be going to the chart to go and see how to draw the trend line. Because in drawing the trend line, you need to connect two or more points of higher lows. That is in a bullish scenario, or you connect to a more points of lower highs. That is in a bearish scenario. Like we said earlier, you first of all need to identify the market trend. Now, after identifying the market trend, what do you do? Now, this is how to draw the trend line. Connect two or more points of the lower highs. This is if it's a bearish market, the lower highs. Now, the most significant points of the lower highs, this is it. You see, this is how to get a trend line. Now, if this market should come up here, what will you be doing? You'll be looking for selling opportunities. So by the way, we'll be taking it step by step. First of all, you identify the trend. Now we've identified the trend. We've connected two or more points, two or more significant points. Now let's look at the next step. So let's go to the next slide, guys. Wait for price to test the trend line. Be patient and wait for the market to pull back to the trend line. Remember, trading requires a whole lot of patience. Yes, guys, trading, you need patience. You need to be patient. Don't be in a hurry to open a position. Yes, don't be in a hurry to open a buy or sell position. Profitable traders are always patient. If you want to be profitable with the trendline trading strategy, you need to be patient. You wait for market to come to you. Yes, wait for market to come to you. Okay guys, you need to wait for market to come to the trend line. As you can see on my chart, this is where the price is away from the trend line. So if you are using the trend line strategy, you need to be patient enough to wait for this pullback to occur. Yes, you need to be patient enough to wait for this pullback to occur back to the trend line. That is just what you need to do. After identifying the market trend, you've drawn the trend line, then you need to be patient, wait for market to come back to this trend line. That is just all you have to do. Now, you need to identify confirmation signals. Something should signal you to, either buy or sell. So you look for confirmation signals that the trend line is holding as support or resistance. This could include bullish or bearish candlestick patterns, such as a bullish engulfing pattern at an uptrend trend line or a bearish engulfing pattern at a downtrend trend line. Now let's go to the chart and look out for such examples. Now when price have come to the trend line, when you've waited and price is now at the trend line, you are going to look for confirmation that yes, this trend line is going to hold or not. Now this is what you would do for a bearish trend. For a bearish trend line, you'll be looking for a bearish engulfing pattern, this candlestick pattern. This is what I use to trade mine. You'll be looking for bearish engulfing pattern. If it is bullish, you'll be looking for bullish engulfing pattern. There are other candlestick pattern, but these are my favorites: the bearish engulfing and the bullish engulfing, because they are so effective. I've back tested them, I've been using them. So I'll be giving you an example. Now the price here in real time, I've not gotten to this trend line, but let's look at the previous one that occurred. Now you will be able, you can spot that this is a bearish engulfing pattern here, here, a bearish engulfing pattern over here. Yeah, you can spot it here. You can also spot it here. So when price get to the trend line, when you see this bearish engulfing pattern, you know yes, this trend line is going to look at this one also here, another bearish engulfing pattern. At this point, you are ready to sell. At this point, you are ready to sell. So you look for confirmations. Now let's look at the bullish scenario. Now this is a bullish scenario. You connect the dots. Connect the dots, yeah. Now, after connecting the dots, you are looking for a bullish engulfing pattern. Over here, this is a signal to buy. This is a signal to buy. This is a signal to buy. And this also is a signal to buy. Yeah. You'll be patient and wait for price to come to the trend line. And these are your confirmations. So when these bullish engulfing patterns have occurred or bearish engulfing pattern have occurred, the next thing you need to do is to just enter the trade. After confirming that the trend line is holding, your bearish engulfing pattern has formed, enter the trade immediately after the close of the candle, and your SL should be above the high. Then your target should be the nearest swing low. Yes, the nearest swing low, that should be your target, and this could have given you a decent risk reward ratio of about 1:4.6 something. So this is decent. This is a decent risk to reward ratio. The SL should be above the previous high, somewhere here, and that's decent. And in this other case, if the market should come to this trend line, I'll be looking to sell. All I need to just see is a bearish engulfing candle form somewhere about here. A bearish engulfing candle form somewhere about here, and that's all I need. That's all I need to put my trade. Then after that, I'm just going to keep my SL above the high and target this low, or the low that is going to form. That's all I need. So guys, that's basically all you need to know about trendline trading strategy. You identify the market trend. After identifying the market trend, you draw your trend line. After drawing the trend line, you wait for price to come to the trend line. After price have come to the trend line, you look out for confirmation. Now in my own case, I use candlestick pattern. Yes, I look out for candlestick pattern, either bullish or bearish engulfing candle. Then after the bullish or bearish engulfing candle has formed, then you just put your order. Now after the confirmation has been done and you've entered your trade, you need to learn how to manage your trade. Yes, learn how to manage your trade by setting a profit target, a decent profit target. Now in this case, this is the reason why we are choosing this low, because this is the nearest low and this place can serve as support. Price can get to this point and decide to go up again, so use this as your profit target. Use this as your profit target. So in this case, let's say price came to this point here. Let's say price came to this point here. This should be our target over here. Over here should be our target. This is where our target will be, because this is the nearest low. So you use the swing lows to confirm your profit target and get out of the market. Don't forget to use risk management. So guys, that's all about trendline trading strategy. Thank you for watching and peace out.